Yeah, so... Oh, yeah.
Why did you choose it?
Yeah, opo. Kasi mahirap po. So, and ano po, yung I found out that there's dental program for foreigners sa Buffalo. So, upstate New York, doon po ako nakapagtrabaho as dental assistant sa... Opo. Hindi po, yung naglilinis po bago yung magmamap. Opo, yun po yun.
Pwede ka i-cleaning.
Exactly, ma'am.
Kaya ka niya i-cleaning.
Pero dito po, nag-graduate po ako ng dental medicine. Hindi lang po ako nakapag-board exams, but my brother is a dentist po.
Is that also is in the family?
Yes, opo.
Bakit dentistry kayo lahat?
May papa po, may papas
But di
niya.
ba New York University has the best dentistry?
Kaso napaka-competitive kasi Mr. President. Tsaka mahal.
Sinasabi nga nila dahil pinakamagaling ng New York.
Yes, yes. Oh, she's my she's my vocal coach po.
Oh my God. Thank you, my God. What a nice result. Yeah, you do. Because of?
Text votes.
Pero yan din ang nagpapanalo sila. Marami tayong pinapanalo sa textbook ng Pilipino.
Denied always. Medyo nakakalungkot po na makikita. Na-memorize ko na lahat yung mga staff by face. Tapos, para makikita mo na sa mukha na ikaw na naman.
Ikaw na naman.
Kinala mo pala si Pia Worsbach.
Pero paano ka napunta sa music?
Si Papa po kasi alam naman sa atin, always kong sinasabi na yung karaoke talaga part ng ating kultura, sir. So, I am just so blessed.
Ang biro nga niya sa America is that how do you know you're in a Filipino house? May karaoke.
Yeah.
For sure. Galing. Saka hindi ako makapaniwala. Yung backing band mo, si Sting.
Opo.
He's more excited about Sting.
Idol ko yun. Tapos ang bait ni Michael Bublé.
Oh, I told him, sir, na I will meet you and hindi ko lang po alam kung anong oras but he's super excited. Proud, medyo nakat lang po yung blind audition ko but part of it was him telling na he was an American artist, signed artist, but he was not noticed in America not until nagpunta siya sa Philippines, and Philippines is the first one to make him make the sold out concert, so nakilala siya, kaya naiiyak talaga siya sa Philippines.
Kaya mahal na yung mga Pinoy.
Tsaka yung grandfather niya is
Don't tell me Pilipino yung...
hindi po, yung grandfather niya ang nani, ng caretaker, Filipina.
The usual story.
Is he coming here, Michael?
Gusto niya po. Sabi niya,
Wala, sikat yan. I'm sure his
he
schedule
will,
is packed.
ang sinabi niya, sir, if you will have a show in the Philippines, I will make sure na pupunta daw siya. Kaya sabi ko, hold that promise.
We'll make a show for you.
No, but I could tell nung you were singing together, talagang siya, enthusiastic siya. Tsaka
Yes, sir.
tuwa nung
And he
mas tuwa pa sa'yo nung nanalo ka eh.
And he decides everything. Lahat ng song ko from my outfits, lahat po.
Talaga.
He take time. Yeah. He took time. Yeah. So,
Wala nalagay siya, the reputation of Filipinos and music is cemented.
thank you, sir.
Hindi ko makalimutan, I saw a quick video. One of these America's Got Talent yata. May kumanta na babae. Ang galing ng pagkakanta. Si Simon Cowell, imbis na bumoto, just held up a sign. Are you Filipina? Understood na yan.
Tough crowd.
Yeah, pero nung na-announce po ako, ma'am, totoo po pala totoo pala yung moment na parang nagpa-flashback sa'yo lahat ng sorry, naiyak na ako. Yung pinagdaanan mo na
I'm sure.
you are bringing the talaga, always po akong grateful kasi nagpunta po ako doon to just try. So every round na pinipili ako ni Michael Bublé, parang culmination lang siya na, I think we can make this work. Ganun. So, tiwalang ko sa kanya. Last 2 songs, sabi ko, can you help me? Sabi niya, just trust me on this one. Gagawaan ako ng paraan talaga for song choice. Hanap ako. And he made sure na talagang bumoto. And
Bagay
surprisingly,
na bagay,
sir,
bagay na
yung
bagay.
mga Filipinos around America, hindi ko po alam na may mga text brigade sila na bumoto po sila. Vote natin to.
Kahit dito.
Opo.
Kahit dito.
Grabe, sir.
Basta boto, alam mo naman ang Pinoy. Text capital of the world yan. So, diba? So,
You made us so proud.
Thank you, ma'am.
Talaga
Maraming
nakakatawa.
salamat.
Konta ako nila. Finally,
Yes, sir.
nakilala. First, hindi lang first Filipino, first Asian.
First Asian po.
Laking bagay nun. Hindi biro yun.
Hindi po, sir.
Wow.
Malaki percentage.
Opo.
Malaking margin.
Malaking margin po.
Sorry, talo margin.
Ay, sorry.
Di bale, music naman eh. Music. I'm happy with that. At saka para sa Pinoy. No problem.
Gosh, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Thank
Ay,
you, Mr.
nako.
President.
Ikaw, ako may magpapa-thank you sa'yo dahil pinasikat mo na naman yung Pilipino. Sikat na naman tayo dahil sa ginawa mo.
I never showed you his video to you. Mom, I'm coming to the Philippines.
Yeah.
I'm trying to meet the president.
Yeah,
I saw it.
akala ko po, I thought na hindi mo po nakot, tapos nakita ko yung video na
O sinagot ko.
you were so nervous, my dear. Sabi ko, nahuli pala ako. Ilang beses kong tinake yun, ma'am. Grabe talaga for that message.
And you were still nervous?
Yes. Oh my gosh. So, I hope na I could take this opportunity,
Pero
sir.
ganun talaga kahit na yung mga, like, one of the, Barbra Streisand, hanggang ngayon, she refuses to go on concert kasi masyado siyang ninenervous.
Yes, sir.
Sino po ba? Meron akong, Taylor Swift.
She did that.
Gusto ko sa,
Okay, go.
Iba po sa akin.
ano yung nervyos mo?
Bailey's with me. She was working in the show. Kapag bago po ako kumanta, talagang nakikiusap ako sa kanya na pwedeng magbawas.
Normal yun.
Kasi-
Normal.
Oh my
Well,
God, ang daming meat.
Thank you for looking after our guy. Thanks so much for looking after our guy.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Good day. So what's next? You have your record contract.
Opo, meron po akong record contract. Tapos, hopefully, magkaroon po ako ng magandang management. Si Michael Bublé po nagsuggest na since I am from Asia and the Philippines, dapat yung mag-handle is Philippines and iba yung sa Amerika para maganda po. So, maganda naman po yung number ng proposals. Kaya pag-uusapan na lang po.
No, wala. Good ka na. Basta you just, tuloy-tuloy.
Yeah, hopefully.
Nag-cruise ka pa rin, di ba?
I worked as a cruise ship singer.
Can you imagine? It was
Nag-OFW po ako for a time.
Ah,
Yeah.
kumakanta kayo, walang audience.
Hindi lang yun, lasing.
Lasing.
Lasing ng audience.
Isa pa yun.
Yun ang masakit.
Oo, it's even better. Masyado ang iingay, di ka pinapansin. Tawa na malakas.
Oh my God.
Sana yan lang. Talaga ganyan yan. Ako, pag speech ko, ganyan din eh. Hindi ako pinapansin. Wala akong nakikinig sa akin. Okay lang. Sige lang. Sige.
Laban
Go
na.
ng go.
Laking tulong po, sir. Laking tulong talaga yung recognition. Tapos,
Oo, that's cannot imagine. Kaya naman, dito, parang konti na lang, gawin namin nga national holiday yung pagkapanalo niya.
ay, salamat. Ay, naku, sir.
Happy ang lahat ng Pinoy. Kasi parang, for lahat ng nagsasabi, ang galing ng Pinoy sa music, ang galing ng Pinoy. Pero ito, tunay na ito, recognized.
Yeah.
Recognized na. Ito talagang, hindi lamang, magaling mo. Ito, may recognition. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
Yeah.
So when are you going to, when are you going to record?
I am going... Actually, sir, nag-message po sa akin yesterday lang po yung A&R ko, yung Republic Records. So, the president wants to talk to me para sa magiging brand na ng song, sa album.
Ano nga? Ikaw, anong pinaka-paborito mong kanta yun?
Well, I prepared your favorite song, sir, if you wanna hear something.
He has a gift. He has a gift.
A cappella?
I have my accompaniment prepared for him.
Okay. Well, wow, swerte naman natin. Wow. Sige. Wow. Hindi ko expected yun.
Sure. So, since I am super blessed to be in front of you, Madam and Mr. President, I prepared and I've researched a bit. You are a Beatles fan, and this is one of your favorite songs, sir. So I hope you like this one. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the